Welcome back, peoples. Watershake here with a new unboxing. This is an unboxing of a Lego order which I made yesterday, so it came really fast. I'm not sure what is in there because I ordered Pick-a-Brick, and Pick-a-Brick often arrive separately, but I also ordered some sets and stuff, so I would say let's look what is inside. So cut these things here open and let's open it. And by the way, today I have a new setup kind of, because I use two lamps. In the videos before I always used one lamp, but since I had two different lamps I decided to just use both and try what it looks like. So first thing, we got all these bubble wraps, but these are the big ones, really cool. And let's turn this thing around and you can see. So since my order was over 55 euros, I think, I got this limited Mini Cooper car. So that's really cool. It's not supposed to happen. Let me just make it better. And then, what was the main reason for order is the Exo suit. This is a limited Lego Ideas, formerly known as Lego Cuusoo set. It comes with two minifigures, this big robot, and a turtle, and yeah. And I think it's limited to 10,000, or might be limited, I'm not quite sure. But I just thought I would get this because this is an awesome set. And it only retails for, I think, 35 bucks, and that's really cool. And it looks like an accident happened because I just noticed I got two of these brick journals. And I ordered this, I think it was only half the price, for $3.50 something, so really good price on that one. Let me just give you an overview. So this is the back. I never read one of these, so I just thought I would get myself one and look at what it's like. And you can see all this stuff. And definitely it looks like it will be fun reading. And this is not all of this order. There's still a Bricklink part, but Bricklink always Pick-a-Brick part, but Pick-a-Brick always takes longer, so that should arrive separately. And I think I'm now going to build the Exo suit. Should be fun. Okay, that's it for this video. Comment, subscribe, and bye.